Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. You know I make a ton of videos on this Dynatrap. You know that. I make a ton of them. And I wanted to show you, again, I emptied this out 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. And I want to show you what I have here, what I yielded in 2 weeks. Absolutely insane. I'm going to pop this off here. I'm just telling you, it's absolutely ridiculous. There's a switch right here to shut it off. Put it up here. Let's top that switch. That shuts it off. That switch, that toggles it off. So it does, it closes, the pressure stops from the fan, and it closes those two little doors that close it down, like I told you. And very, very easy to use, simple, and this just snaps right off and just twist it off. And I'm gonna empty this out. I wanna show you. This Dynatrap is absolutely amazing. I recommend this 1000%, guys. If you need a bug killer. Now, some of them are alive in here because it just captures some this morning. And that's just the way it goes. And that's just unfortunately. So those will escape, but I want to empty it out because this thing is like 3/4 full and ridiculous. But I want to show you what they look like. I'm going to empty it out. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So that's what this video is about. I did a ton of these Dynatraps. This is a 1/4 acre Dynatrap, and I've made a lot of videos about this, but I just have to show you again because I'm just so impressed every single time I open these up and show you exactly what I'm dealing with. You're going to see a lot of things escaping because a lot of stuff probably not dead yet. And that's just the reality of it, so that's how we do it. But I want to show you the yield that's in here. Absolutely incredible. Look at this thing. Now, yes, some are escaping, which is totally, absolutely normal. That's just the way it works. Nothing you can do about that, but this is just how it works. Look at them all. They're all in here. There's a ton of insects. Look at this. Okay, now if I left it in there all day, all these insects will be expired, but you can just see how many are alive, and most of these things are dead. Let me just pop over here in the forest. That way the critters can have a bite to eat. And there you go. There is the yield coming out of this thing. Absolutely insane. Now it's empty, and it's important to keep it empty so it creates the vacuum to suck them in. I'd say about 95% of these are gone, which is fine. These mostly are moths, mosquitoes, pretty much the bad bugs in your life that you don't want to have. And that's what I do. Shake them all out, plug it back in, and start over again. So that's how we use it. That's how we do it. And on your review channel, I have full videos. I'm going to leave at the end of this one. You can see how I set it up, the unboxing. This one does have the LED light that lasts over almost 3 years. And that's how I use it. I put it out in the spring, early spring, and I leave it there till end of December because stink bugs are a big thing, and this captures all the stink bugs. Look at that. That is amazing. Check that out. I'll pop it back on. So you want to make sure you just put the cap back on. The cover here. This is very important. Just make sure you clean it all out. You can just see how this opens and closes. I mean, it's just wear out a little bit from time, but not bad. It's in pretty good shape still. If you want to wash it, I mean, if you have like a sink, you want to wash it, and I'm not going to. I'm just going to pop it back on and then get it back to work. Now, if you want to, you can clean out the bottom. You see there's some insects in there. Just get a little brush or a little comb or something and just clean that out if you want to. Because sometimes some of the big bugs get stuck in there, and that's just the maintenance of doing it, but that's all you have to do. And then you just basically, you pop this back on, I turn on the power, and you're good to go. Need 2 hands for that. Let me just do that real quick. Yeah, I'll need 2 hands, so let me get right back to it. It's back on, I have the power back on, hit the button right there, you don't have to unplug it, and you're good to go. Dynatrap is the best one in my book. It's just gotta capture, and that's only 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks, which is ridiculous. It'll recapture those moths. They'll go back in here. They'll expire, and you can just see the yield is absolutely amazing. So definitely pick this up. Recommend this 1000%. If you don't have one of these, definitely leave it out early spring, early, like around here. I put it out here at the end of March and April, and leave it here till December for all the stink bugs, and they all go in there. That's a very, very nice thing to get rid of them all. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll leave a link down below right here. Go ahead and pick it up. It is an affiliate link just to be fair and transparent. I do get a small commission, as you do know, but it does help my channel out and cost you nothing, and I hope I brought you some value. If I did, smash that like button. Follow me for more, and I'll leave videos at the end of this one here to show you all the unboxings and this one as well, and all the more videos about Dynatrap. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.